Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write some amazing Happy New Year greetings, wishes and messages. You can write these messages in greeting cards, invitation cards and even WhatsApp messages for the upcoming year 2024. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First is wishing you a year filled with joy, laughter, and endless possibilities. Happy New Year! May the coming year bring you success, happiness, and all the good vibes. Cheers to a fantastic 2024. Here's to a fresh start and new adventures. Happy New Year filled with love and witty. Number 4. May your dreams take flight in 2024. Happy New Year! Embrace the journey ahead with a heart full of hope. New Year, new opportunities. Wishing you a year of growth, success, and happiness. Cheers to a year of love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. Happy New Year! Number 7. As the clock strikes midnight, may your worries fade away and your dreams shine bright. Happy New Year! Number 8. May each day of the new year bring you reasons to smile and moments to cherish. Happy 2024. Number 9. Wishing you 365 days of happiness, 52 weeks of success, and 12 months of prosperity. Happy New Year! Number 10. May the coming year be filled with love, laughter, and all the things that make life beautiful. Happy New Year!